Starting an LLC in Illinois is a solid way to protect your personal assets and officially launch your business. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps so you can get it done with confidence. The first step is choosing a name for your LLC. Your business name must be unique and follow Illinois rules, meaning it can't be too similar to an existing company. You can check name availability through the Illinois Secretary of State's website. Remember, the name has to include LLC, or Limited Liability Company, at the end. Once you have your name, the next step is filing your Articles of Organization, also known as Form LC-5.5. You can file online or by mail, and the filing fee is usually $150. This document is what legally establishes your LLC in Illinois. After that, it's a good idea to create an operating agreement. Illinois doesn't require one by law, but it's highly recommended. An operating agreement lays out how your business will be managed, who owns what, and how profits will be divided. Next, you'll need an EIN, or Employer Identification Number, from the IRS. It's free to apply for online, and you'll use it for taxes, banking, and hiring employees. Finally, keep in mind that Illinois requires you to file an annual report to keep your LLC active. The filing fee is $75, and it's due every year. And that's it. If this guide made starting an LLC in Illinois clearer, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more straightforward business tips.